Sarajit, can you tell me a little brief about what you do and what was the main interest that you decided to join the 3D printing for entrepreneur program?
So actually, we were acquainted to 3D printing since the last year or so, and we generally bought it only for prototyping complementary products, which goes with our products. And meanwhile, when we were doing this, we thought that yeah, the printer is lying idle for quite a lot of time, and we should start doing some other activities as well. To join this program, the agenda to join this program was that I wanted to know more in terms of what kind of industry has what to offer in terms of 3D printing and its solutions. Not only educative this program, but yeah, got the start of the network as well of people who are into this.
Yeah. So how was your experience? I understand that you only joined for the entrepreneurial part. So when did you decide that you should only be taking the entrepreneurial part, and how has it really impacted or helped you?
Basically, I had gone through quite a, number of trainings in terms of 3D printing and what is it and how it works. Also attended one of the physical sessions before the lockdown, which was done by I don't know the company, but they also make their own printers.
Mhm.
Um, so it was in Pune. The company is based out of Hyderabad and Bangalore. Um, So yeah, these programs did not cover the part which I was looking for. In the last sessions, the three, four last sessions were something which I was really looking forward to. So that is when I decided, yeah, okay, fine, let's not go through it again, and let's focus on the entrepreneurial part.